What is Reiki and its benefits? Reiki is spiritually guided universal life force energy. It is foundational energy that conduits the ki, the chi, the universal life force energy, to the human energy field through a series of hand placements up and down each side of the body. These hand placements are coordinated to the 7 major chakras and the endocrine system. What it enables you to do is to release blockages throughout your human energy field and your chakras. These blockages are often clogging you up, not allowing you to access the core of yourself, allowing you to understand what is the right thing for you to do on your path. So when you have Reiki done for you or to yourself, then you allow yourself to innately become aware of these understandings of what is for your highest good on your life path. It allows you to understand and clear the aspects of your whole self, the aspects that are of your mental body, your spiritual body, your emotional body, and your physical body. All these things are so important and work in conjunction with each other. And as you use the Reiki more and more, your vibration continues to increase, and your whole system works at its optimum level for you to work at your optimum level on your highest good for your path.